Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. We have three types of dependency injection. First, constructor injection. Second, field injection. And finally, method injection. Perfect. Now, we need to talk a little bit about Dagger 2 as our solution to dependency injection in Android application. Okay. So Dagger 2 is one of the famous DI libraries among the Android community since it's developed by Google. It's a forked project from Dagger 1, which introduced by Square, and it does its work on compile time, not run time. And this is very important. So Dagger 2 does its work on compile time effectively using annotation processing, which is a cool feature of Java compiler. Okay, and Dagger has a lot of interesting annotation like component, subcomponent, module, scope, bind, etc. As I said before, Dagger is Java DI framework, so you can use it for enabling DI for your Java apps, also for Android, but recently we have the Dagger Android support version. It's optimized version for Android application in particular, and it saves a lot of boilerplate code, but I would like to pick up the pure Dagger first. So there is a very important note here. We are going to use Dagger 2, not Dagger 2 Android at the beginning. Okay, so now let's see how can we add Dagger to our Android project. So first of all, let's go back to our Android Studio. Okay, and let's open build.gradle file for the app module. Okay, perfect. So now we need to add these dependencies here. Okay, like this. And we need to change this compile to be API. Okay, because compile is deprecated now. And please make sure to enable KEBT plugin because we are going to use Kotlin. So you need to apply this line, apply plugin Kotlin KEBT at the top of build.gradle file. Okay, so now I need to go back to the previous example, okay, to show you why we need a component which will be our solution or effective solution for the previous problem. Okay, so let's open main activity.kt here. Okay, so let's instantiate an object from our login manager and its dependencies and see what happens. Okay, so let's add this instantiation from local store. Okay, local store, and let's add dummy token, for example, just for testing, and add also an instance from API service. Okay. And let's add username and password. For example, Ramadan and password 123. Okay. Then we need to instantiate object from manager like this. And pass the local store and API service. Okay, perfect. If you look carefully now, you will notice a boilerplate code. And if you need to modify the local store, for example, here, to hold another object, for example, you will need also to create it first, then pass this object to the local store. And this is a hassle. I just need to instantiate from login manager just one object, and that's it. So we need something to abstract this creation and manage dependencies efficiently. And here, component comes to the stage. So let's give it a big hand. Okay, the component is just a bridge between the client, which is the main activity in this case, and the service, which is login manager, and its function just to give the requester what needs when he asks. So in the next video, I will show you how to create a component to solve this problem. See you in the next video.